How to fix NFC not working on Android. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for NFC. Head over to the very first application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then the application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into apps. Head over to the application NFC. Click on storage and cache. Over here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Once it is done, but if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix NFC not working on Android device. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.